Here's how to make a landscape video portrait in CapCut. Now, if you're in CapCut and you want to change the aspect ratio to be portrait, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's open up the CapCut app here and just tap on New Project. Now, I'm going to bring in a video that is starting off as landscape. But let's say I want this to be portrait because I want to upload it as a YouTube short or TikTok or something like this. Now, all I am going to do is make sure this video is not selected. So if you selected the video, tap on that little arrow at the bottom left. And we're going to swipe over at the bottom until you get to aspect ratio and tap on that. Now, it has a bunch of different options on here that will show you, but let's say in this case, I wanted to do the TikTok format, which is 9:16. I'm going to hit the check mark, or I can choose to resize this if I want to. So I can choose to zoom in, and by doing so, it will fill this entire portrait mode screen. But you can see here, it cuts off a lot of that video. So you do have other options as well. You can bring this back. So let's bring this so that it is like that. You can hit that check mark, and you can also just add a generic background to it. So at the very bottom, let's swipe all the way over until we get to background and tap on that. And let's tap on blur, for instance. You can choose to just blur that background if you wanted to use that. But you can also choose other things like an image or just a generic color. You can always have those, and then it shows that basically portrait version of the landscape video, and you're good to go.